Itachi became a sacrifice. To the Leaf's long-continued conflict, he was sacrificed.
It's just the two of us.
No matter how much Itachi closed his heart and focused on drawing blood, the only one he couldn't kill was his little brother.
I'll always be there like a wall you have to climb over.
To him, your life was more precious than even the village.
Sorry, Sasuke. This is it.
Itachi. Family. Uchiha. All the priceless things I had were taken from me by the Leaf. Every one of them. Everything. And yet, even now, people of the Leaf smile and laugh. If your laughter comes at the price of Itachi's life, then I will change that laughter to screams and moans. I will destroy everything in the Leaf!
Sasuke.
If you get in my way, I will begin by killing you. Know my pain. Know my hatred. Know my loneliness and my rage. Know my despair and die! Naruto! Struggle to your heart's content. How about you be a good boy and just give up now, Naruto?
Sasuke, you...
Mission start. Naruto, no matter what you say now, I won't change. I will destroy you and every last person in the village. How this ends is up to you. Will you defeat me and become the hero who saved the village? Or will you just be one of the many losers who were beaten by me?
You're not gonna be a loser.
Amaterasu!
I won't be the hero who defeated you either! I don't want to be either one!
You... I've had enough of you. I will kill you right here. Fire style! Fireball What good are bonds? You are all soft! I've had enough of you. I will kill you right here. What good are bonds? You are all soft! No mercy. Amaterasu! I've had enough of you. I will kill you right here. Take
this! Fire shot! Fireball
In this battle, I'll find the answer.
Take this! Fire shot! Fireball jutsu! Shiguri shark spear! Fire shot!
Sasuke.
Fireball jutsu!
No matter how much you close your heart,
Take this!
I will.
Take this!
I will destroy the leaf, and then I will revive the Uchiha.
Sasuke!
Mission complete.
My vision. I used the Mangekyo Sharingan too much.
I told you to go home and get some rest.
Madara.
Ah, the Nine Tails. We will face them again at the appropriate time. For now, withdraw.
Sasuke.
Time to go.
Wait.
Sasuke. In that last battle, I know you felt it too. If you and I fight, we will both die. If you attack the leaf, I will have to fight you. Store up your hatred until then. Let it all crash onto me. I am the only one who can handle all of your hatred. That's a role only I can play. I'll absorb your hatred, and we'll die together.
What was that? What on earth are you talking about? Why are you so fixated on me?
Because we're friends. I knew it wouldn't be easy for us to get along right from the day we met. Come to think of it. There's nothing wrong with our way of understanding each other through our fists. I haven't given up yet.
I will never change. And I don't want to understand you. Nor do I want to die. You're the one who will die! That's enough, Naruto. I will take care of Sasuke. You have your dream of becoming Hokage. I couldn't bear to watch you go down Sasuke's path and be destroyed.
But can someone who can't even save one of his own comrades become Hokage? No. I will fight Sasuke.
Naruto. Very well. I will crush you first.
You still don't acknowledge my strength.
The conversation sounds like it's over. Let's go, Sasuke.
Madara, I have something to speak with you about later.
And what would that be?
About taking Itachi's eye.
So, you finally decided to bring that up. You've used the Susanoo too much. I knew you were losing your sight.
Implanted in me immediately.
But this is so sudden. What will you do with it?
I will crush Naruto with all my strength. I will wipe out every trace of him. That's all. Why? Why do you waste so much effort on me?
Because you were part of my family!
Didn't you used to say your dream was to become Hokage, Naruto?
Can someone who can't even save one of his comrades become Hokage? I'll absorb your hatred, and we'll die together!
What was that? What on earth are you talking about? Why are you so fixated on me?
Because we're friends!
What's wrong? Are you in pain?
No. Naruto, if you insist on getting in my way, I swear, I will crush you. I'll drown you in my hatred. I'll teach you my pain. That's a promise.
For revenge. Sasuke Uchiha's will remains unchanged. He desires revenge and trembles with hatred. No matter how much time passes, his feelings do not waver an inch. He does nothing but watch time go by, and it's always the same. The boy embraces rage. The harsh wind scatters into the sky. Down his path into the future, Sasuke Uchiha's footsteps will quicken.